So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 17th of August. Now, let's just have a look on prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards that 64.75. We've had a brief bullish bounce. We did trade quite a bit below 64.75. We tested at 64.50. Had a bullish bounce, retested at 64.50, and again we saw a bullish bounce here on the market. We've been in slow consolidation to the upside, a very narrow range, suggesting that the bulls don't have complete control of the market at present. There is a degree of caution. So if we do see this break of the 65.60 and we're able to hold 65.60, we will then look for price up towards that 66.12, successful break from which we will then look for price head up towards that 66.71. And if we are successful in breaking beyond 66.71 at 67.12, we do have that confluence of 200 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. We have to be aware of that being a possibility here to the upside. But if we do see a strong reaction beyond the 67.12, we're looking for price to move towards that 67.73 here on the US oil. If, however, we do fail to hold these somewhat higher prices here on the US oil, if we do have a rejection around 65.60, or we do fail to hold higher prices and break beyond 65.60 to the downside, looking for a retest of 64.75/64.50, successful break from which we're then looking for a key level of in around that 63.76. And if we are successful in breaking beyond 63.76, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 63.05 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing, get scale on here correct. And as we can see here on this daily chart, we've had a sharp move up towards that 75, an equally sharp pullback, consolidation through the 69.51, and we've had a strong break of that 69 from in around that 69.51, and lower end of the trade range being around that 68 here. In around that 67, actually, in around that 67.12 or so. We've had a pretty strong break off that level. We've had a brief consolidation over a couple of days, rejected higher prices in around that 68.19. And what we have seen is follow through to the downside here to test that 200 period moving average on the daily chart, sitting in around that 65.60 or so. Well, it's below 65.60, it's around that 64.75. So in around 64.75, in around 64.50, we do have the 200 period moving average on the daily chart. So far, we've seen a bullish reaction. We'll see if we do see a fall through to the upside, or we'll go back for a retest of that confluence of that 64.75 and that 200 period moving average from this daily chart If we do fail there, we're again looking for our most recent low in around that 63.60. So we've got marked out 63.76, and if we do break beyond that, we've mentioned 63.05, possibly even down towards our 62.54 here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.